In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove field labels from a form in Elementor. If you don't want your form to have field labels, the description outside the field users type in, you have the option to remove all field labels or a label for a specific field. In JupyterX, you can do this with the Raven form element. This form is part of Raven Elements. Raven is an exclusive plugin developed by ArtBees, which represents new and useful elements to Elementor. It comes bundled with your theme and is accessed here on the Plugins page of the JupyterX control panel. Once you've activated Raven, you can go to a page and add it to your layout. Let's do that now. In Elementor, drag and drop the Raven form widget into your layout and navigate to the Edit Form dashboard here on the left. In the Content tab under Settings, click this button to hide all the labels in your form. To remove a label from a specific field, let's set this to Show, and from the Form Fields section, click on the field in which you want to remove the label. Delete the text from the label option and watch it disappear. This is also where you can adjust the placeholder text, which is the word that resides inside the field. As a user clicks in the box to type, that word will disappear. Once you have it configured, just click Update to save your settings. Thanks for watching. Cheers.